Welcome to Hollywood Secrets Information. In this video, we're diving deep into some of the most heartbreaking and shocking stories from the entertainment world. 17 famous actors who tragically died during surgery. These stars had given us unforgettable performances on screen, but their final moments came unexpectedly in the operating room. Stay tuned as we uncover the untold details behind their tragic ends. 1. Joan Rivers. The legendary comedian and TV host Joan Rivers was known for her sharp wit and iconic presence on shows like Fashion Police and The Tonight Show. Tragically, in 2014, she went in for what was supposed to be a minor throat surgery at Manhattan Clinic. During the procedure, she suffered cardiac arrest and was placed in a medically induced coma. Rivers passed away a week later at the age of 81. Her death shocked the entertainment world and raised serious questions about medical safety during elective surgeries. 2. Bill Paxton. Actor Bill Paxton, known for films like Twister, Titanic, and Aliens, underwent heart surgery in February 2017 to repair an aortic aneurysm. Unfortunately, complications from the surgery caused a fatal stroke, leading to his death at just 61. His loss was deeply felt across Hollywood, as Paxton was known not only for his talent, but also for his kind and humble personality. His passing led to increased awareness about the risks associated with heart procedures. 3. Andy Warhol. While mostly remembered as an artist and filmmaker, Andy Warhol also had strong ties to the acting and film community. In 1987, Warhol underwent gallbladder surgery, a procedure considered routine. However, complications from the operation caused cardiac arrest, leading to his untimely death at 58. Reports later revealed that his poor health and previous gunshot injuries made the surgery riskier than doctors initially thought. 4. Oliver Reed. British actor Oliver Reed, known for Gladiator and Oliver, had a long career marked by intense performances and a larger-than-life personality. In 1999, during a break from filming Gladiator in Malta, he suffered a heart attack and was rushed to surgery. Sadly, he didn't survive the emergency operation. Director Ridley Scott had to use CGI to complete Reed's remaining scenes, making his performance in Gladiator both haunting and historic. 5. Ricky Nelson. Singer and actor Ricky Nelson, who rose to fame in The Adventures of Ozzie and Harriet, met a tragic end during an emergency surgery after a plane crash in 1985. Though the crash was the initial cause, his death was finalized in the operating room when doctors tried to save him. He was only 45. Nelson's tragic death marked the loss of one of America's earliest teen idols. 6. Christopher Cazenove. The suave British actor Christopher Cazenove, known for his role in Dynasty and A Knight's Tale, underwent surgery in 2010 following septicemia, a severe blood infection. Despite doctors' efforts, he passed away shortly after the operation at age 66. His passing was a painful reminder of how deadly sepsis can be, even with advanced medical intervention. 7. Krystyna Janda. Polish actress Krystyna Janda, known internationally for her work in Man of Marble and Interrogation, reportedly died during a surgical procedure intended to address long-term complications from an illness. The surgery turned tragic when she suffered a massive cardiac event. Her passing at 73 left an indelible mark on European cinema, where she had been celebrated for her raw emotion and artistic depth. 8. Brittany Murphy. The clueless and 8 Mile actress Brittany Murphy had been battling multiple health issues prior to her passing. Reports suggest that she underwent minor surgery just days before her death, which may have aggravated her condition. Although officially her death was ruled pneumonia, surgical complications and medication misuse were contributing factors. Her sudden loss at just 32 remains one of Hollywood's great mysteries. 9. Michael Jackson. The king of pop, Michael Jackson, was deeply intertwined with the film industry through music videos and documentaries. In his later years, Jackson reportedly underwent numerous surgeries, including cosmetic ones. While he didn't die on the operating table, His death was linked to the misuse of anesthesia propofol, a drug typically used during surgery. The sedative overdose by his physician, Dr. Conrad Murray, led to Jackson's cardiac arrest in 2009 at age 50. His death remains one of the most discussed medical tragedies in entertainment history. 10. Florence Griffith Joyner. Although best known as an Olympic track star, Florence "FloJo" Griffith Joyner had ventured into Hollywood, appearing in TV shows and inspiring countless biopics. In 1998, she underwent an epileptic-related surgery, but tragically passed away in her sleep after complications. The autopsy revealed issues linked to the procedure. Her death at only 38 shocked the sports and entertainment world, cutting short the life of one of America's most glamorous icons. 11. Steve Irwin. While known as the Crocodile Hunter, Steve Irwin also had an acting career through documentaries and guest roles. After being fatally injured by a stingray barb during filming, Irwin was rushed to surgery in a desperate attempt to save him. Tragically, despite medical efforts, he was pronounced dead during the emergency operation. The world mourned his loss, a passionate wildlife hero who died doing what he loved. 12. Dana Hill. Known for National Lampoon's European Vacation, actress Dana Hill battled diabetes throughout her life. Complications from her condition led to a diabetic coma and subsequent surgery to relieve pressure in her brain. Sadly, she didn't survive the procedure, passing away at just 32. Her death was a devastating loss to Hollywood, as she was seen as a young actress with tremendous emotional range. 13. Leslie Cheung. Hong Kong superstar Leslie Cheung, famous for films like Farewell, My Concubine, was scheduled for treatment and possible surgery due to his worsening depression and health issues. Before the surgery could stabilize him, he tragically took his own life, but doctors later revealed that he had earlier suffered complications from a minor surgical procedure. His passing became a national tragedy across Asia, and he is still mourned as one of Hong Kong's brightest stars. 14. Rodney Dangerfield. The legendary comedian Rodney Dangerfield, best known for Caddyshack and Back to School, underwent heart valve replacement surgery in 2004. Though the operation was successful, he fell into a coma during recovery and never regained consciousness. After several weeks, Dangerfield passed away at 82. His final words before entering the operating room, "If I wake up, I'll be okay," became eerily prophetic and are often quoted by his fans. 15. Barbara Windsor. The beloved British actress Barbara Windsor, star of the Carry On films and EastEnders, battled Alzheimer's for years. Toward the end of her life, she underwent a minor surgery to address complications related to her illness. Sadly, she suffered cardiac arrest during the operation and could not be revived. Her death brought immense grief to fans who had grown up watching her infectious charm on screen. 16. Bernard Fox. Best known for his roles in Bewitched and Titanic, Welsh actor Bernard Fox underwent surgery to treat heart failure in 2016. Despite the doctor's best efforts, he didn't survive the operation, passing away at age 89. His long career and distinctive humor made him one of the most beloved character actors of the classic Hollywood Marvin Gaye Sr., father, the legendary singer, had deep Hollywood connections through television appearances and performances. In 1984, after a violent confrontation with his son Marvin Gaye Jr., he was arrested and later underwent emergency surgery following injuries from the incident. He died during the operation, marking a tragic end to one of music's most painful family sagas. The legacy of those lost too soon. Each of these stars stepped into the hospital expecting healing, but instead met their final curtain call. From Joan Rivers' shocking death during a routine procedure to Bill Paxton's heartbreaking loss after heart surgery, these stories remind us how fragile life truly is. Even for the biggest stars, surgery, no matter how minor, always carries risks, and these tragedies continue to spark discussions about medical responsibility, patient safety, and the unpredictable nature of life. Their artistry and passion, however, continue to live on in films, shows, music, and memories. Hollywood may have lost them too soon, but their legacies remain immortal. Thank you for watching Hollywood Secrets Information. If you found this video emotional and insightful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more true Hollywood stories. Your support helps us bring you more exclusive content from behind the silver screen. Until next time, stay safe, stay inspired, and remember, even stars aren't immune to fate's final act. Thanks for watching.